Hi, welcome back. This is Adventures with Dr. Joe. Today, we're going to change the casters or the wheels on this gantry crane. Isn't it frustrating that things like the wheels on your bags going to the airport, or wheels on casters on woodworking or metalworking equipment, after a number of years, they lose their plasticizer, they get brittle, and they just basically deteriorate and come right apart. That's what happened to these. Now, in the past, I would take those off, find another set of casters that has the same hole configuration and replace it. But you can replace just the wheels with this, and you don't need the swivels, and it's a big cost savings. Let's take a look. So there's one of the wheels that's totally breaking apart. And if you look on the other side, it's even worse. I mean, all these pieces are just coming off, but they're all bad. So I purchased a set of urethane wheels that I think should last a long time. Let's take a look. Let's open this box up. And I'll tell you, they're serious. These are 5 by 2 inches, and as you can see, they have a grease fitting that will lubricate the roller bearings that are inside here. And this sleeve has an opening for grease to basically lubricate that. Look at these. Cast urethane. I think these are going to last a lot longer. This set also came with 4 bolts, 1/2 inch diameter, with a grease fitting on the end and a small hole right in the center. So you grease basically the axle and it will lubricate. So we're going to use these jacks to basically just lift this up a little bit. I'm going to put 2 on. We just need it off the ground a little bit. These are 19 millimeter bolts. I'm going to loosen that. And basically this bolt is the axle. And these are held on by nuts that are not meant to slip off, so they're difficult to take off. They have an indentation in the side. They also could have a nylon insert. They work the same, but they prevent these from getting loose. Obviously a safety situation, especially when you've got a big gantry crane like this. And I've got 2 1-ton chain hoists on it on dollies. So there, that's off. I'm going to take it out. Here comes the old wheel, terrible condition. Put the new one in. Taking a look at the nut. Yep, there's the indentation that causes it to basically grip really, really tight. And then we'll tighten it up. That's a beautiful replacement. These are 5 by 2, and you can see the terrible condition that these are in. Just literally totally falling apart, and time to be replaced. One thing you need to be careful about is for the brake to work properly, this small pin in this lever needs to engage in this hole. And then when this engages, it really gets tighter and pushes this onto the wheel. So be sure that that little pin is engaged or your brakes won't work properly. Okay, let's grease it. By the way, these casters also have a grease fitting up here for the ball bearing rotation for that So that flows freely. We're going to grease through the axle first. And then we're going to grease through the wheel itself. Oh, that's good. So I'm using a red lithium grease here. There it goes. And while we're here, we're going to grease up the turntable as well, just a little bit. There, that should be good. All right, let's lower this down. We're good to go. Now we just have 3 more to do. Before I go, I'll put a link to these wheels in the description of the video. So if you like this, please consider it. Thumbs up would be great. Consider subscribing. Thank you very much.